And today we are going to do air column. This is tube. ठीक है? Air column, standing wave in air column. So there are two situations, Rashish. One is open at both ends, closed at one end. See, when we have a gas open at both, when we have a cylinder open at both ends, so what happens that in gases or in air columns, the open end, there is always antinode, and at closed end, there is always node. See, this has everything to do with vibration. यदि हमारे पास एक closed end रहेगा, तो यहाँ के जो मॉलिक्यूल होंगे वो longitudinal डायरेक्शन में ऑसिलेट नहीं कर पाते हैं. Okay. Fine. ओपन एंड रहता है, तो यहाँ पे ये जो मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं, एंड वाले मॉलिक्यूल्स वो ऑसिलेट कर लेते हैं. Fine. और due to this motion, the density of gas inside the this air column, ये जो ट्यूब होगा, इसके अंदर का डेंसिटी और बाहर का डेंसिटी जो होता है, there is a difference in the density of the two places. Okay. So basically this density differential के कारण थोड़ा स्लाइट डेंसिटी डिफरेंशियल होता है, बहुत ज्यादा डेंसिटी डिफरेंशियल नहीं होता है. इस डेंसिटी डिफरेंशियल के कारण क्या होता है कि अंदर का एक मीडियम बन जाता है और बाहर का एक दूसरा मीडियम बन जाता है. फाइन. फाइन. सो देयर इज ऑलवेज लाइक एक मीडियम से दूसरे मीडियम में ट्रैवल कर रहा होता है, तो यहाँ पे जैसे ही वेव यहाँ पे पहुंचता है तो उसका रिफ्लेक्शन होता है पीछे की तरफ. अच्छा. गॉट इट. सो इफ I take open at both end, if I have a tube open at both ends, so I'll always have antinodes forming at this point, because the molecules which are in the end are free to vibrate. Right. So ये जो सबसे simplest होगा, this will be something like this. Like this. Got it, Purashi? This is the simplest one. All the musical instrument, like कोई drum है आपके पास, तो उसमें air column इस तरह से vibrate करता है when we उसे बजाने की कोशिश करते हैं तो. Then the next highest mode of vibration will be like एक यहाँ पे बनेगा. This is the next mode, highest mode of vibration. Right. So there is node this side. तो यहाँ पे node है. Now Gurashish, if you remember, just एक point पे mention करना यहाँ पे चाहूँगा, so that you remember in the future that what I'm talking here is in terms of amplitude. अच्छा. Not in terms of pressure. Okay. Suppose if I talk in terms of pressure amplitude, तो इसका reverse हो जाएगा. Open end. Because cos और sin का होगा ना. Exactly. So open end, it will always be a pressure node. And okay, because amplitude maximum है, इसलिए pressure वहाँ पे least होगा. Clear है? चलिए, great. So if the length of the tube is L, I can again write it here that this is nothing but L into lambda. L is equal to lambda by 2. Here I can write this as lambda. Fine. So whatever derivation we did earlier, मैं दोबारा से वो derive नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I can straight away write that L has to be n lambda by 2. Okay. Same as string fixed at both ends. ठीक है. तो यहाँ से जो फ्रीक्वेंसी का टर्म आएगा वो भी वही आएगा, n by 2L into C. ठीक है. And what is the speed of sound wave in air? So I know that is gamma p upon rho or gamma RT by m, not under root, either of this. Okay. T by mu is for string. So
हाँ
जो भी,
T1,
हाँ जो भी हमने ऊपर में किया था,
हाँ
हार्मोनिक, एवरीथिंग, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, एवरीथिंग विल बी सेम हियर. यदि हम हार्मोनिक इन सब की बात करें गुराशी, हार्मोनिक and overtone, n equals to 1.
फर्स्ट
This is,
वर्सेस हार्मोनिक.
this is nu naught, where nu naught is 1 by 2L into C. This is called as fundamental frequency. If I take n equals to 2, this is 2 nu naught. If I take n equals to 3, this is 3 nu naught. This is called as first overtone. This is called as second overtone. This is called as first harmonic. This is called as second harmonic. This is called as third harmonic. Got it, Purashish? If I have another situation that is closed at one end, so closed at one end, the simplest diagram that we can have is like this. That is L is lambda by 4. The next simplest diagram, the next diagram will be like this. That is L is equal to 3 lambda by 4. So based on this, I can say that L is again 2n plus 1 or 2n minus 1 lambda by 4.
Okay.
Where n starts from 2n minus 2n plus 1. N starts from 0. Let it keep as 1. N 1, 2, 3. Okay.
हाँ right.
तो 1 पुट करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा लैम्डा बाई 4. 2 पुट करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 3 लैम्डा बाई 4. 3 पुट करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 5 लैम्डा बाई 4. सो ऑन.
तो 135 हो ही गया.
ठीक है. तो आई कैन से दैट फ्रीक्वेंसी इज, इस तरह से हो जाएगा 2n minus 1 on 4L into C. These are the normal mode of vibration.
Okay.